Hello, Business 600A students. This is Professor Hasse speaking to you live and in color from warm Claremont, California. This is our introduction video to week number 6. Our topics are statement analysis and managerial accounting. We're going to be talking about chapter 13, pages 512 and 517. Why is that important? That's what your project paper is going to be about. I have posted the project paper to Blackboard under the project paper file folder. You can look at that and download it. We'll be discussing it in our class Monday evening. That paper is a financial statement analysis of a company that you selected back in week number 1. And that paper was due on Sunday, August 1st. We'll also review our midterm examination, which is due this evening, Sunday, July 11th. If you need an extension, please let me know, but I'll look forward to reviewing that in our class on Monday. And then our topic is Managerial Accounting, Chapter 14. And here's a brief video introducing that chapter.
This chapter provides an overview of managerial accounting. In this course, you will learn how managers use accounting information to make decisions and to evaluate performance. You will learn how to determine the cost of a product or service, and related to this, you will gain an appreciation of how important the allocation of overhead costs is to accurate costing. You will learn what is meant by the so-called break-even point and how to determine the break-even point. You will also gain an understanding of how sales mix influences your break-even point. You will understand why the nature of costs, fixed versus variable, impacts profitability, and you will learn how to prepare a basic budget for planning purposes. You will also learn how to use a budget to evaluate performance and how to use variance analysis with standard costs to determine the cause of your problems. You will learn how to use incremental analysis to make decisions and how to evaluate capital investments. Every one of these topics is of vital importance to managing an organization. This chapter provides you with some of the basic terminology and concepts that you need in order to get started.
Okay, so we're starting the second half of our course, Managerial Accounting, Cost Volume Profit Analysis, Master Budgeting, and Capital Fundraising and Capital Analysis. That's the next remaining weeks of our course, and we start this week in week 6, talking about the definition and what is managerial accounting. It's accounting in decision making. What does the financial information tell us about our business? So that's what we'll be studying in chapter 14. But first, we'll prep and talk about our project paperwork from chapter 13. And if we can, we'll review the midterm examination, and we'll look forward to beginning our second half of our course. Make sure you get a good idea of where you stand in our class by taking a look at your grade average from your grade center. If there's any questions, this is a good time this week to ask me those questions. All right, everybody, look forward to seeing you Monday evening, July 12th at 6 p.m. Until then, adios.